Imagine. And this is what Toby's breathing so hard because he was playing hard outside, right, Toby? And it's really nice, guys. You might like to say hi to my dog named Toby. He is a golden doodle, and that's Ali. She's a bulldog, right? Today is everyone to say hi to me. Come by and say hi. I love to say hi to every one of you. Yeah, I do my best today. I'm not that young anymore. I'm kind of deaf. Not kind, I'm deaf. Right? This one not deaf. This one is young, 3 years old. Almost 4. This one, she may be a 13 years old now. She's a rescue dog from Chicago. Now she is in Minnesota. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Enough for me. Right? If you are here in the screen, just say hi to me. I will see you back. Right? Right. I love you all. You guys are my awesome people watching me today. Yes, of course. Because my name is Ali. I live here in the house all day long. I can sleep 24 hours a day. Because that's my talent. That's my normal way. That I can sleep 24 hours if I really want to. And of course I get up and eat. Right? Over there is Toby. He's chewing bone. Look at Toby. He's chewing bone. That's his favorite bone. It's a real bone. It's a meat bone, I guess. Yeah, right, Toby? I don't know what kind of bone is that. Might be a cow bone or maybe chicken bone. Oh, no, it's not chicken bone. Pig bone, maybe. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Wow. Hello, Shannon Lemons. Hello, Gapoy Official Vlog. Hi. Sorry, I did not see you guys right away. Be patient. I focused my dog. That's why. Kumusta, Gapoy? Shannon, how are you? Shannon Lemons, hello. You're super awesome people here in the chat. Welcome and happy weekends. It's almost weekend, guys. You know, I just came home from work, even you're not asking. We were outside because today is really nice. The snow is almost gone. It's very unusual for January, but if I show you outside, look, there's not much snow. It's just on the side. yes, Shannon, thank you. I'm good today. So to be active here in YT, I just wanna make a short live for today for you guys to watch. And that's Ali. Ali's always tired. She was outside with us and she didn't stay longer because I came inside the house and I got my phone, so I took a video of right here. Toby was playing. It was like about 3 minutes ago, and we decided to do live inside the house. And that's all my story today. How are you, Shannon? Did you have a good day today, Shannon and Gapoy Official? Did you guys? Thank you so much for coming to my live. And look at Toby, how big he is. He's very tall dog. Very tall. He's about 90 pounds. Yeah, I'm doing well too, Shannon. How about you? Are you doing well also? Yes, today is Thursday and I don't have to work tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow all day. Yeah, did you guys have fun today? Did you have a blessed day today? Thanks God for the day. for every day. Thanks God for everything.